Hello everyone, welcome to another Helium 10 tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to use Helium 10 for free, absolutely for free. This is one of the best tools out there for keyword research for your Amazon business, Amazon FBA, Amazon KDP business, or any other Amazon-based business. Now, before we get started, again, since this is Black Friday right now, you can get very good prices and deals on Helium 10. So if you want to purchase, if you decide to purchase Helium 10, again, you can get 20% off for 6 months with our link down below, or 10% off every month for lifetime on Helium 10. Keep in mind that today, since it's Black Friday, you will get better prices, but in the future you can still get 20% off and 10% off right here, as it says down below in the link in the description. So first thing is how you can claim a Helium 10 free trial. So Helium 10 actually has a free trial, and you can use Helium 10 for free, not just during the free trial, but you can also use it for free and sign up for free. So what you want to do is you want to visit the Helium 10 website. You want to sign up for free here. You will need to go through the process of signing up to Helium 10. From there, you will need to also go and install the Helium 10 Chrome extension and all that good stuff. I will show you the dashboard of Helium 10 in a second. But as you can see, Helium 10 offers a generous free plan specifically designed for users who wish to explore its powerful capabilities before committing financially. So here's what a Helium 10 plan basically has. It has comprehensive tool access. So while it is limited, users can still access a diverse range of tools, including product research, keyword research, and listing optimizations. Also, you have operational efficiency. The free tier doesn't just stop at research, it also extends and gives you the vital operation tools like alerts and inventory management through, but it has a limited functionality. So again, you can get completely free Helium 10, but it will have limited functionality. Now, if you land on Helium 10 dashboard or landing page here, you will be able to add a free Helium 10 Chrome extension. So when you log in here, you can go and install the Chrome extension here. You just click on it. And as you can see, you will be able to go and add this to your Chrome, or for me, it says add it to Brave. Over 1 million users are already using this particular tool. Now, as you can see, with this particular tool, you can leverage powerful data to assess market demand. You can discover new product niches with upfront search volume data, identify new keyword opportunities, and stuff like that. So in a nutshell, this is how you can access to Helium 10 for absolutely free. Obviously, the free will be a free trial, or a free access will be limited. So if you want to upgrade to platinum or diamond or starter, you can go and click the link down below to upgrade with our links, because you will get the best deal out there for Helium 10 specifically. So again, if you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming Helium 10 tutorial video. Thank you guys for watching.